There are 2-3 aspects to what you have asked me, so I'll take a few minutes to cover that. Number one is that it's the government's responsibility to ensure that security forces are present in locations where they're required. In the beginning, or rather when the incident happened, and also on the day of 15th of August on Sunday, there was a lot of chaos. And in this situation, there was a request from many sections of society that CRPF and central forces should not be present. Therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, we decided that the Meghalaya Police, MLP, would be present in certain locations. And then we spread it out, as the days and hours went along, we started spreading it even more and more to all locations. Now, there were individuals and certain organizations who stressed that there should not be any presence. But then, as I said, the government clearly communicated to everybody that fine, the central forces will deploy in other locations, but Meghalaya Police Force will be there in locations which we feel are sensitive. And accordingly, we have deployed them, and they have been there, they have been there since then. And coming to the point that all these different activities are taking place, which you mentioned, obviously the government is making sure that all these aspects also are looked into. Law and order is a very broad subject, and overall making sure that illegal activities don't take place is also within that jurisdiction. And therefore, all those aspects also are being looked into. And as I said, we have deployed our Meghalaya Police Force in all these locations, and there is sufficient manpower there.